Welcome viewers. Here is another interesting example based on equality of two complex numbers, and the example is as follows. If x plus iota y is equals to m plus iota over m minus iota, where m is a real number, then prove that x square plus y square is equals to 1 and y over x is equals to 2m over m square minus 1. Then we have to prove these two things in this example. So let us see how to do it. First of all, we shall collect what is given to us. We are given x plus iota y is equals to m plus iota over m minus iota. Now we shall rationalize this complex number. Then we shall multiply both numerator and denominator by m plus iota. Then this value will be m square plus 2m iota plus iota square, and iota square is equals to minus 1. Then this value will be minus 1. And here we have m square plus 1. So if we write m square minus 1 plus 2m iota over m square plus 1, and here is x plus iota y, x plus iota y, and we can write it as m square minus 1 over m square plus 1, and here is 2m over m square plus 1, and here is iota, x plus iota y. Since these two complex numbers are equal, so we can equate the real and imaginary part of these two complex numbers. Then x will be equals to m square minus 1 over m square plus 1, and y will be equals to 2m over m square plus 1. So now we have the value of x and y, and now we have to calculate x square plus y square. And if we calculate x square plus y square, then we have to find the square of m square minus 1 over square of m square plus 1, and square of 2m over m square plus 1. So if we solve it, then this value is m square plus 1 square, and if we calculate this value, then it will be m raised to the 4th power plus 1 minus 2m square, and here is 4m square. Then we can write this expression like this: m square plus 1 whole squared, and here is m square plus 1 raised to the 2nd power. Therefore x square plus y square is equals to this value, and we can cancel out numerator and denominator of this value. Then we get 1. Therefore we have proved that x square plus y square is equals to 1. Now we have to find the value of y over x, and y is 2m over m square plus 1, and x is m square minus 1 over m square plus 1, and we can cancel out these two terms. Then we have 2m over m square minus 1, and that is what we wanted to prove. Thank you.